Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today is day 25 of 90 days challenge. And thank you to everyone who motivate me, who inspire me, and who helped me to making more video on English improvement. And here is my sister Rajni Verma, and today's topic today's topic of famous. Famous
Topic is famous.
famous is like
Hmm.
popularity. Yes, you can speak something about famous.
So yes, guys, as we have taken this challenge of 90 days, so for today, your topic is to speak on the topic. The today's topic to speak on is famous, fame. So whatever comes to your mind related to fame, you can talk about people. You can talk about the ways to get uh, fame and how people get the fame and whatever related to it. So I'm not going to mention what you have to exactly, because that's what I want him to speak on. So tell me, what comes to your mind when I say famous word to you, or how people do get fame.
Famous is like two type of famous, I think.
Fame, two type of
One
fame.
one fame is by hard working and by passionate about something. Then the fame is like real fame,
Hmm.
and one fame is temporary, like
Hmm.
Ranu Mandal,
Hmm.
like one more like Mona Lisa.
Hmm.
Mona Lisa, she famous.
She got fame.
She got fame last year in Kumbh Mela.
Hmm.
So this type of fame like temporary fame, instantly
Sudden and accidentally.
sudden fame. But famous, but most important famous fame is by hard working
Hmm.
and by something creativity.
Hmm.
Then this fame created by actual and real fame, I think. Yes.
Yes, one more is there, that is just because you are privileged to born in a very rich or already eminent family, like in a royal family. If you get a birth, so you are, since birth you are famous. Since birth you get that because of you, because you're lucky, privileged. So that is another fame. And you can tell about the ways that uh, because of social media now, it has become a trend, and it has become way more easier for people to get fame, because once there is a reel which is recorded by random people at a random place, and it is just shared by many people, and this is how people got the fame now. So earlier it was quite difficult, because people were not on social media, and we were not using all different platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, then Facebook, then YouTube. Only a few people were into this category who had special cameras and did that. But now everybody is on social media, everybody is with camera, so anyone can get the fame at any moment
Yeah,
suddenly.
one more thing. Right now, people easily famous by using uh, social media like
Instagram.
Instagram.
Hmm.
Yeah, and they post a reel like matlab, they post a reel about anything. Then the poster is viral. That time they got fame and they get fame. They
Hmm.
get fame, and I think famous is like very easy. But I think main fame is hardworking and consistently results, and that fame is
That stays with
that
us.
stays with us, and that is good fame. That is good fame, and this type of fame uh,
Brings a satisfaction also.
yes, and मतलब टिकती है उसको क्या कहते हैं?
Stays with us.
Stays with us
Already
long
I
time.
told you.
Long this type fame stays with long time, and early fame is like 1 month, 2 month, and 1 year, and after then people forget that. Then that people then nowadays like Ranu Mandal famous that time, but nowadays they not listen to Ranu Mandal, and Ranu Mandal, where is Ranu Mandal right now? Nobody can know.
Hmm.
Nobody know
Knows.
about.
Nobody
Nobody
knows.
knows where
Hmm.
she is right now. And so I think this is very important factor of fame.
Hmm.
Yes.
It should be earned by the hard work and consistency.
Yeah. So that's it for today. And if you know about fame anything, and then you can comment my chat box, and you can tell me something about famous fame, and I will see you we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.